Today we will be installing MaxLite's TRK Troffer Retrofit Kit into an old 2x4 fluorescent Troffer. The Troffer Retrofit Kit offers an economical solution to retrofit most existing Troffers to LED in less than 15 minutes. Let's begin. We'll start by making sure to turn off the electrical power at the circuit breaker box. Now we'll remove existing hardware and disconnect the fluorescent wiring. Be sure to follow all federal and local regulations when disposing of lamps and other removed components. Next, we'll install the Troffer Retrofit Kit end brackets to each end by gently lifting the recessed fixture and placing the end brackets between the fixture and T-grid. Secure the panel brackets to the fixture using the provided self-drilling screws. Next, install the side brackets between the fixture and T-grid. There are 2 tabs on these that will fit into the slots on the end brackets. Apply the relamping label to the surface of the fixture. This will alert anyone working on the fixture in the future that it has been modified. Hook the door assembly into the keyholes located on the end brackets. Now we'll slide the door assembly horizontally to the end of the slots. Make your wiring connections according to the instruction manual included with the retrofit kit. Next, secure the door assembly to the fixture using the 2 safety cables. Finish the installation by closing the door assembly and locking the latches on each end of the door frame. Remove protective film from the LED lens and turn on the power to test that everything is working properly. For more details on the TRK Troffer Retrofit Kit, see the video description below. Thanks for watching.